Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World Forecast discussion from March 1st to the 15th. From March 1st to the 5th, the flow doesn't change very much from what we've been talking about this week. We still have a ridge here near the Aleutians and also here across the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico. We still have our upper low here over northern Canada with a trough extending into the west. So we go through the days and various models. You don't see very much of change in the overall circulation. And we still have a zone of flow prevailing across the country. So now going ahead, the models are in agreement with a heavy rain event occurring here across the south. And the models are in agreement that there'll be a threat of heavy rain across the south into starting early next week. And the rain will spread eastward and could bring areas of heavy rain across the southeast by Tuesday. And then during this period, we have an upper low. Oh, I wanted to do a map. I didn't load it. Just thought of something. Well, anyway, we have an upper low here moving through the southwest, and this will interact with Gulf moisture on a frontal boundary. Along this frontal boundary here, there'll be several waves moving along it, and this will bring a prolonged weather event to the south. Now, the northwest or the west and the northern Rockies could see rain amounts and snow early next week, with lighter amounts spreading into the interior west. So we see the system here brings snow right here. This is GFS right here. Okay, this is going into Wednesday and Thursday. So that's what we're expecting during this period. Also, now we're going to look at the period for March 6th to the 10th. And we still have a zone of flow. However, the height anomalies remain the same. We have a ridge here near the Aleutians, also Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico. But this is interesting here. There's a return of positive height anomalies near Greenland, upper low here. For now, I'm kind of hesitant. I would say the forecast confidence during this period would be low to moderate, because there is a chance that there could be colder air and stormy to begin this time in March. However, the other models, like this is the European deterministic, brings a trough into the northeast, while the other models, NEFS, the GEFS has zone of flow above normal heights. So that's something to watch out for. Later on, we have time to fix that if I see the need. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting up below normal temperatures along the west coast, with the anomalies near 2 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures forecast for the remainder of the nation, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for March 11th to the 15th. And then now we have the positive height anomalies. They're more like over east central North America, trough here. So the models are pretty good agreement with this. Trough in the west, ridge near the Aleutians, zone of flow. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the west coast and the northern Rockies. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal, and then above normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the country, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. This is the closest I can get this, even though I don't think this is going to be whole true. It could with the moisture in the area, but I'm calling for above normal temperature for a majority of this region. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this area here, Probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation for the Great Lakes region. Probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion from March 1st to the 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.